महात्मा गांधीजी जयंती निमतान बुधवारा फोंड्याच्या केंद्रीय विद्यालयान फिट इंडिया रन इंडिया विशय घेवन फोंड्या म्हालान 4 किलोमीटर धांवन व्यायाम केलो. तशेंच रस्त्या कुशीक उडयल्लो कचरो एकठांय केला.
Swachh Bharat as well as Fit India in the morning is very good initiative by the school, and I'm very happy to see all the parents also joining with their wards in this noble cause.
To commemorate the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, Ministry of Human Resource Management has issued instructions to all the government schools to organize a Fit India plogging run, wherein the participants will be running and picking up waste as they run, carrying the garbage bags. So this program is being organized in all the government schools across the country, and we have been given instructions from our KVS, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. So we have organized this event in our school, in which we requested the parents also to participate. And we are very happy that we got such a good cooperation from parents.
Dada is well known for this movement only. Way back 10 years back, Dada has started Clean the Ponda mission. All around the Ponda he has started when he was a chairperson that time. Now also he is a chairperson. और उनका ये रहता है कि पूरा कचरा पोंडा क्लीन और ग्रीन हो जाए, इसके लिए वो मिशन है. गोवा में फर्स्ट प्लांट सेटअप करने वाले हमारे दादाजी थे, उसके लिए तालियां होनी चाहिए.